Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold power key, and from here, once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change it into safe mode. Click on it once more, and this will now initiate a reboot into safe mode. Now, once the device boots into this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything else that you have put on the device will be basically unable to start, and that is just so you can troubleshoot your device. And this kind of troubleshoot mode, only the apps that come basically default installed with the device will function normally. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. You do have this watermark right here, safe mode, just so you are aware that you're in this mode. Widgets, as you can see, don't work, and one other app doesn't work, which is Facebook. Everything else will work just fine, and you can discern which app will work normally and which one won't, based on the fact that apps that cannot work or won't work are right now monochrome, while everything else is looking still normal. So anyway, once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is hold power key once more, and this time around select restart, which will initiate a reboot, and once the device is back on, it will go back to the normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.